Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are always fine. Please take care of your health by implementing health protocols wherever you are, so you can avoid the COVID-19 virus. On this occasion, our group will submit application job letter. Before we enter the material, let me introduce our group. My name is Ella Kadek Rahayu as moderator and presenter. And then Anindya Dwi Oktaviani as presenter, Dwi Atmoko as presenter, Rosmaida Sirait as presenter, Ahmad Derobi Harahap as presenter, and Andi Wijaya Sinaga as presenter. Okay, now we enter the first material that will be presented by Anindya Dwi Oktaviani. Time is yours.
Tips for writing a job application letter. Number 1. Do not copy your resume. A cover letter is sales pitch. The purpose of this letter is to convince the hiring manager that you are a strong candidate and to highlight your relevant experience and abilities. Your application letter should show how exactly your background makes you a good fit for a particular position. In contrast, your resume in a general record of your experience, education, and accomplishment.
Number 2. Tailor each application letter to the job. As mentioned above, emphasize in your letter why you are an ideal candidate for the specific job. This requires that you personalize each letter to fit the company and position. Match your qualification to the job posting by highlighting the skills, experience, and recruitment list in the description.
Optional. Application letter have a free format as ring manager read. Your letter will expect to see certain information included inside. First, you have freedom within the structure to be personally, but it's important to stick to a certain level of formality. Pay particular attention to the professionalism of your solicitation. You for instance, when to refer to the letter is written by the first name, Willis fiscal regulation. Follow business letter format. 4. As business letter format when writing your letter, if you read thinning out pad hard copy letter, be square to let when us paragraph continue your address, follow it by day that, follow it by the address of the respect. If you reading an email, you can omit the address and that says done. Thank you. By Andy.
Job application letter format. Use this formatting information as a guideline when writing your customized application letter, so you know what information goes where. Contact information, name, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and email address. That employer contact information if you have it, name, title, company, address, city, state, zip code. Kemudian salutation, dear Mr. or Miss, last name leave out if you don't have a contact. Thank you.
Body of application letter. The body of your application letter lets the employer Know what position you are applying for, why the employer should select you for an interview, and how you will follow up. See below for a paragraph by paragraph breakdown of the body of the letter. First paragraph. The first paragraph of your letter should include information on the why you're writing. Mention the job you are applying for, the where you found the job listing. Include the name of a mutual contact if you have one. You may conclude by briefly and concisely saying why you think you are an ideal candidate for the job.
Middle paragraph. The next section of your application letter should describe what you have to offer the employer. Mention specifically how your qualification match the job you are applying for. In this portion of the letter, make your case for your candidacy. Final paragraph. Conclude your application letter by thanking the employer for considering for the position. Include information on how you will follow up. Complimentary clause, and the example is sincerely. Signature for a hard copy letter. Type signature. And here example of application job letter. Okay, I think that's all our presentation about application job letter. If there's a lot of mistakes, I'm say sorry. Thank you for your attention. We hope that the material can be useful for all of you. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.